Are you a retiree with a multi-million dollar estate? Have you thought about the future of your wealth and what will happen to it when you're no longer here? It's a tough question, but it's one you need to ask, especially in today's uncertain economy. Right now, the economic landscape is shifting in ways that should have you worried. Inflation is high, the stock market's volatility is at an all-time high, and President Trump's administration policies continue to affect everything from the dollar's strength to tax regulations. These things aren't just numbers on a screen. They're things that directly impact your retirement, your savings, and your family's future. Now, let me tell you about Frank and Susan Thompson, a couple from Boca Raton, Florida. Frank worked in tech for decades, and Susan was a successful real estate agent. Together, they built a multi-million dollar estate over their careers. But despite their hard work, the uncertainty in the financial markets left them concerned. Frank was watching the news one night, hearing about rising inflation and the shaky state of the banking system, and it hit him. He had no idea where his retirement funds were truly safe. He thought, what happens if the stock market crashes again? Will our assets still hold their value? What will happen to the next generation? That's when they decided to take control of their future. Frank and Susan didn't want their children to face the same financial worries that they were dealing with now. They wanted a legacy plan that not only protected their assets, but would also secure the future for their family. After much research and consulting with financial advisors, they learned about gold IRAs. A gold IRA is one of the most secure ways to protect your wealth, especially in times like these. Why? Because gold has stood the test of time. Unlike the stock market, gold doesn't react to the same volatility. It's been a safe haven for centuries, especially when inflation eats away at the value of paper currency, like it's doing right now. Let's think about that for a second. If you're a retiree with millions tied up in a volatile market or a bank account, you could be risking everything. Gold IRAs offer a solution that allows you to safeguard your wealth by rolling over a portion of your retirement into physical gold. That's right, actual gold that can't be devalued overnight, unlike stocks or bonds. Frank and Susan decided to roll over $750,000 of their retirement funds into a gold IRA. That move gave them peace of mind, knowing that no matter what happens with inflation or the market, their wealth is protected. Their story isn't unique. Hundreds of American retirees are making the same decision every day. They're choosing gold IRAs to ensure that their hard-earned savings stand the test of time, pass on to future generations, and aren't diminished by market instability or inflation. But I want to stress this. It's not about a quick fix or a gimmick. There's no pressure to make a decision. No free silver giveaways, just honest, straightforward education. What you need is a strategy that works for you. And that's exactly what we offer. A free gold IRA guide and a no-obligation educational call with one of our experts, tailored to your unique financial situation. We want to help you make an informed decision about your legacy, whether you're protecting $1 million estate or something more modest. If you've worked hard to build your retirement, you deserve to protect it for the next generation. Don't leave your wealth vulnerable to economic uncertainty. Take advantage of this opportunity to get a free gold IRA consultation, no strings attached. We'll take a look at your situation, answer your questions, and help you explore the best options for securing your family's financial future. Remember, this isn't about sales. It's about educating you. There's no pressure, just a straightforward conversation about how you can protect what matters most. So click the link below to get your free gold IRA guide today. Let's make sure your legacy is as secure as your future deserves to be.